film videos. Like people can listen to a voice because like I know like I learn really well from reading, but I know
Yeah.
some people learn really well when someone's narrating.
Mm.
So it's like how are you offering the training to your people, but also accessibility. So someone who
Yep.
might be working and they can't read for long periods of time because their eyesight might be bad or they can't concentrate when they do it, but they can listen and they can absorb all that information, then use it in their day-to-day job. Like, how are you catering to that demographic as well?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. It's I don't know if you've done much like JavaScript development, but
No, I don't. I try and stay away from Java
yeah,
and JavaScript.
so valid. Um, it's just it's like trying to pick up like the world's most difficult puzzle every time you pick it up. But that whole technology stack has so much stuff built around it, like for
Mm.
accessibility. It's super interesting. Like it's stuff that you wouldn't consider until you go to pick up something to go and start writing a bit of JavaScript in
Mm.
like a modern web framework.
Mm-hmm.
That you just wouldn't consider about like, okay, well, yeah, what CSS tags and classes are like compliant with the accessibility frameworks, and which are the
Mm.
ones like, yes, you're trying to hack something together and get it going, but if you actually want it accessible, like there's another framework over here that is going to do the things and stretch and squash the way that you expect it to, and work on a screen reader and work in
Mm.
high contrast mode, etc., etc., etc.
Yeah.
And it's
Okay.
just like it's no wonder, right, that JavaScript or like full stack web devs get paid what they get paid, basically, because it's just
Mm.
so much stuff to be across. And if you're just an average punter coming in to try and do a little bit of it,
Yeah.
incredibly overwhelming.
Yeah.